In this video, we'll explore various saving opportunities available to you as an Amazon seller and how to take advantage of them. Amazon offers many programs to help reduce your operational costs. These programs include Amazon Lending, Large and Oversize, Amazon Business, Amazon Partnered Carrier, Stickerless, also known as the Manufacturer Barcodes Program, VQuo, Send, Amazon Warehousing and Distribution, AWD, and FBA New Selection. To find the savings programs that will benefit your business the most, think about the size and weight of your products, your sales volume, the channels you sell on, and your overall business needs. Then consider the eligibility requirements and potential cost savings of each program to determine the best fit. Amazon Lending provides financing solutions to eligible U.S.-based small and medium-sized businesses with a proven track record of growth and excellent customer service. The Large and Oversize program applies to products that meet specific weight or size specifications and helps you save on shipping and provide more accurate delivery estimates to customers by opting into automated handling time. Amazon Business is designed to help you grow your sales to business customers who historically buy more and return less. This savings program requires you to have a professional selling plan. The Amazon Partnered Carrier program allows you to find the lowest cost shipping option across carriers based on product size and delivery speed. The Stickerless program enables you to ship eligible products to FBA using manufacturer barcodes instead of Amazon labels. The VQuo program is a free multi-channel shipping software that offers Amazon's buy shipping rates for all of your orders, including other channels like eBay, Etsy, or Shopify. The Send program facilitates cost-effective shipping of FBA inventory from China to U.S. fulfillment centers. Amazon Warehousing and Distribution, AWD, provides low-cost bulk storage solutions for a variety of Fulfillment by Amazon FBA products and distributes your inventory to the Amazon store and other distribution channels. And the FBA New Selection program provides rebates, free storage, and other benefits for new to FBA ASINs. You may be eligible to participate in more than one program to maximize your savings. For example, combining the Partnered Carrier program with Amazon Warehousing and Distribution helps you save 25% on AWD storage and 15% on processing and transportation. Once you have determined which savings programs that you are eligible for, you'll need to enroll. For programs such as the Large and Oversize program, you are automatically enrolled if you sell products that are eligible. Others are built into workflows. For example, you can choose whether to use the Partnered Carrier program in the Send to Amazon workflow. Some programs will require self-enrollment. You can find enrollment for these programs directly in Seller Central. Remember, some programs like Amazon Lending may require an invitation, so be sure to double-check the eligibility criteria, which you can do by searching Amazon Savings Opportunities in Seller Central. Not eligible for any programs today? New programs continue to be added, so check the Cost Savings Program page and manage your growth dashboard frequently. Thank you, and happy saving in the Amazon store!